Metro,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna need this analyzed.
Right away, sir. Analysis complete, sir.
Awesome. Show me the results.
Sir, I believe if we were to unite, you will see it in greater detail.
I understand, Metro, but every time we do this, I always end up with a big headache.
You are a medical professional. You'll figure it out.
Yes, I understand. You are correct.
As always.
Red. Red. Get us the transporter.
Sir, do you think this is the best idea?
Never mind. I'll get it myself. All right, Metro. Here we go.
Ready? Analyzing DNA. Establishing neural link in 3, 2, 1. Oh dear. System back online in 3, 2.
Oh my gosh!
Welcome back, sir.
What happened?
It is a long story. I'd rather show you my results.
Show me what you got.
I managed to find these deep archive files.
All right, Metro, I've seen enough. Cut transmission. Metro,
Yes, sir.
you think we should test this?
To be frank, sir, hell yes.